Ano yung mga naganap? Bakit ba nagkaroon ng siege sa Lipa?
Noong 1898, ito yung headquarters ni Colonel Juan Rodriguez Navas. So siya po yung parang highest Spanish authority during in the Southern Tagalog Command.
Based on what I read in the memoirs of Dr. Rubiano is naghihimagsik na yung mga Pilipino, no? So and part of the context of this is the Spanish-American War. May digmaan na sa pagitan ng Spain at saka Amerika, which was a rising power in the world at that time. This is 1898, no? So and by June, nung naganap itong Lipasid, June 1898, nangyari na yung Battle of Manila Bay, kung saan napalubog o pinalubog yung halos buong armada ng Spanish warships sa Manila Bay ng mga Amerikano. So, kumbaga, uh, uh, medyo nagre-retreat na yung mga Kastila, no? And na lumakas ang loob ng mga Pilipino kaya nag-uwian galing sa Hong Kong and um, biglang lumaban na ulit yung mga revolusyonaryo sa maraming bahagi ng Pilipinas. Yung mga Kastila sa Lipa, as mentioned in the book, they were trying to figure out what to do, no? So itong grupo nila Dr. Rubiano, they attended a war council in Santo Tomas and they decided to go back to head towards Batangas City, pero
Yes.
dadaan muna ng Lipa, di ba? Dadaan muna yung puwersa na ng Lipa. It was actually a large number of Spanish soldiers that were marching to Batangas City, but they stopped in Lipa to rest. No, mga ilang sundalo yon yung tumigil sa Lipa.
May mga accounts po kasi wala pong specific pero ang account po ni Comandante Francisco Vara de Rey, siya po yung second in command to Coronel Navas. About 400 soldiers yung pong nag-concentrate sa Lipa.
Yeah, and 400 soldiers, and they were mostly in the convento and the
Yes.
cathedral, no? So nakisiksik sila doon. But may mga nag-occupy din ng mga surrounding houses, di ba?
Yes. So there was a
Oo.
house-to-house combat po na nangyari. So hindi lang po sa Church Plaza na nagkaroon ng parang ayun tawag dito, hostilities but also in the houses in Lipa. So they occupied the side where the church is po. Yung mga bahay na nando sa hilera po ng simbahan.